Hello everyone, welcome to Swadhyay. Let's learn. In this series of digraph videos, we have learned the digraphs EE and SH. Here I come with another digraph CH. Before we move on, let's understand what's a digraph. A digraph is a combination of two letters making one sound. The consonants C and H come together to make the sound ch, ch, ch. Some words begin with the digraph ch, like chin, chin. Some words end with the digraph ch, like punch, punch. In today's video, we will learn the words beginning with digraph ch. To watch all the videos on digraphs, click on the link shown above. Chair, chair. The chair is broken. The chair is broken. The chair is broken. Chips, chips. Chocolate, chocolate. Kids like chips and chocolates. chest is full of gold coins. Read again. The chest is full of gold coins. Chicks. Chicks. Kip. Have. 2. Chicks. Kip have 2 chicks. Kip have 2 chicks. Pick any word from here and make a sentence. To learn more about phonics, press the bell icon and stay connected with us. If you like reading with me, please subscribe, like and share Swadhyay. Let's learn. Thank you.